How to fix Instagram glitch. So if you're opening your Instagram and if you're trying to upload a story or trying to see some reels, or if you're doing any activity on Instagram and if it's glitching and if you're facing a problem with Instagram, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi connection, then you can switch to your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, then you can switch back to your Wi-Fi. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can remove that and then you can open up your settings. And under your settings, you can scroll down and you can go for apps. And here you can open up your Instagram on your settings, and you can go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. Now this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store, go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And here you may have an update option. So if you have an update option, tap on update and you need to update your Instagram. So if your Instagram is not up to date, then you might find that glitch problem. So after updating, your problems will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your Instagram glitch problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.